Good morning, student. Now today we are going to start the new chapter 9, that is soil. Okay. In this chapter we will study about the what is soil, how soil formed, what is soil profile, different type of soil, okay, properties of soil, and the soil erosion and their prevention, importance of soil. Get it? Now that soil is one of the most important natural resources. It's a natural resource we get from the nature. Okay, that's why it's a natural resources. And this word soil is derived from a Latin word solium. Solium mean earthy material. It's a earthy material. Okay, we get from the earth. Okay, that's why it's a earthy material in which plants grow. You know that soil is very important for the plants as well as for the living organism also. Okay, because plants are directly depend on the soil and living organism are indirectly depend on the soil. Some are depend directly also. Okay, now let's see the importance of soil. What is the importance of soil? Soil is that important natural resources. Okay, and it help in the growth of the plant because the plants get the nutrients from the soil, and it hold the plants also. It hold the plants in the soil. Okay, plants को hold करके रखती है. Roots होती है plants की, it bind the plants. It hold the plants and it's supplying the water and nutrients to the plants through the roots. And the soil is very essential for the agriculture purpose also. Okay, from the crop है grow होगा कहाँ होगा, वो soil में ही होगा. Okay, और वो हम उससे क्या मिलेगा, क्रॉप ग्रो होगी, फिर हमें क्या मिलेगा, फूड मिलेगा, क्लॉथिंग मिलेगी, हमें शेल्टर्स मिलेंगे. ओके, शेल्टर्स जो आपको लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को ये शेल्टर दे रहा है. ओके, इट प्रोवाइड द शेल्टर टू द मैनी लिविंग, और जो स्मॉल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है दे लिव इनसाइड द सॉइल. गेट इट? And soil is habitat for the several organism, like many organism like ants, okay, worms, snails, centipedes, millipede, snake, rat, beetles. Okay, and you know that earthworm that live in the soil. Okay, they live in the soil and increase the soil fertility. They make the burrow in the soil and excrete it in the form of worm cast. Get it? And this worm cast make the soil fertile and plants get the nutrients from it. They grow very well there. Earthworm is generally called the farmer friend. Okay, it is known as the farmer friend. That's why, because it make the soil fertile. That's why it's a farmer friend. Okay, this is the importance of the soil. Get it? Now let's see the different living organism found in the soil. You can see different type of living organism. So many living organism you can see in the picture found in the soil. Carpenter ant, millipede, slug, snail, centipede, rue beetle, wood rot, soil fungi, okay, earthworm, wireworm, pseudoscorpion. So much microorganism live in the soil. Okay, how the soil is formed. Okay, the formation of soil. The soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces by various breaking agents like air, water, temperature and other climatic factors. Okay, the soil is formed by because so much rocks, big rocks. Okay, slowly they break down into a smaller pieces, and then finally these smaller pieces change into a powdery form. Okay, that we call it soil. And what are the agents? How it broke? You are saying they are breaking down. So how they broke down? They are broke down by some agents like air, water, temperature, and other climatic factor. Okay, and this process of soil formation from the rocks is called weathering. This process is known as weathering. Get it? So these are the agents, and by this agent the soil break down into a small pieces, and this process is known as weathering. Okay, and some or microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, algae, plants also causes weathering of rocks and formation of soil, called biological weathering. That is known as biological weathering. These are also the agents of the weathering. Get it? Bacteria, fungi and algae also. So by this formation is known as biological weathering. Get it? Okay, and the nature of soil depend upon the type of the parent rock. Okay, जैसा parent rock होता है उन soil का nature भी वैसा ही होगा ना, वो depend करेगा कि how it is the type of the parent rock. Get it? And the type of the plant that is grow in it. Okay, so this is the formation of soil.